Okay, boys, this is going to be a quick update on SEI. As you see here, the price action has found strong support at around 26 cents, and therefore, if that support holds during Bitcoin's pullback, then SEI might pump all the way up to 35 cents in the coming days or weeks. So what I am doing with this setup is I am trying to catch a bounce on one of these support levels. The first one is located at 28 cents, and the next one at 26 cents. If we break below this last support of 26 cents, then I am going to turn bearish and I'll probably open a short position here. But until then, I am longing SEI and I am trying to catch a bounce and trying to time my entries based on Bitcoin and Bitcoin's dominance. Yesterday, Bitcoin broke above that previous all-time high of $124,000, but it didn't stay strong above it. Traders and investors took profits, so the price action pulled back. And during this pullback, many altcoins pulled back also. So right now, I am watching Bitcoin carefully to see what Bitcoin is going to do next. Are we going to see a break above the all-time high in the coming hours, or we are going to see a pullback? As you see here, Bitcoin has been uptrending, bouncing on top of this ascending green trend line that has been acting as support. But it looks like it's breaking below that. Therefore, if we lose this support, this breakout can potentially be the beginning of a change of trend. And that pullback can take us all the way down to $117,000. $117,000 is that range high point of control that we talked about previously. And we might bounce above that or below that, it doesn't matter. As long as Bitcoin forms a higher low idea, I remain bullish on it. Because Bitcoin had been downtrending, moving below this descending yellow trend line, this one right here. Bitcoin had been moving in a downtrend, but then after the breakout, this breakout can potentially be the beginning of a change of trend from this downtrend to an uptrend. Now we might be looking at Bitcoin forming higher lows and higher highs. Look at this, then another higher high, another higher low, and so on. The definition of an uptrend. Therefore, the point is that as long as Bitcoin forms a higher low, somewhere around this area, above this descending yellow trend line, then I remain bullish on Bitcoin. And don't be scared of these pullbacks on Bitcoin, guys, because these can be amazing buying opportunities on altcoins if you time this correctly. And SEI is one of them. If SEI pulls back and bounces on one of these support levels, these can potentially be very good buying opportunities. So I am going to try to catch the bounce, set up a stop loss right below them just in case we break below, so we can take a small loss and move on to the next trade or wait for some more structure. And the same is true if Bitcoin pulls back all the way down to 26 cents, try to catch the bounce, set up a stop loss below it, and so on. Also, make sure that you pay attention to Bitcoin's dominance when you try to time your entries, because Bitcoin's dominance has broken out of this huge falling wedge pattern. Then we formed this ascending triangle pattern, and we are currently breaking above this upper horizontal resistance. Therefore, if Bitcoin's dominance continues that bullish momentum, we might see it pumping all the way up to this next resistance at 60.41. And if this happens, all coins are going to bleed. But again, this can provide amazing buying opportunities when it comes to altcoins. So watch, SEI for a bounce. And the targets that I have here on the chart that you should be paying attention when the next leg up begins are 30 cents, 32 cents, and 34 cents. From the current price levels, we need approximately a measured move of 20% to get to this last target of 35 cents. But if we pull back and we see a bounce at this lower support of 26 cents, that's approximately a 31% measured move. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to take advantage of the crypto market, and if you want to find trading setups like this every single day before they break out, make sure you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. Last month, I gave you Zcash. I posted this in my Telegram group before the break above this yellow trend line. And look what happened afterwards, guys. After the breakout, we saw a measured move of over 298%. Life-changing money. It's a no-brainer. We have been doing this over and over again in the group. Just join the group, and if you don't like it, you can just leave whenever you want. That's all I had for you today. Make sure that you subscribe, like if you liked the video, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups, because after SEI breaks above this last target that I have here on this chart, I am going to update my price prediction and I'm going to give you more targets on SEI, so you don't want to miss those. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.